Do you know how many everyday products we use exist thanks to refractories? For example, every car ride depends on refractory materials. Here's why. Cars are built using steel, aluminium, copper, glass, and plastics. Each of these materials is produced and then processed at extremely high temperatures to create the components that make up the car. They can only be produced thanks to high-tech refractory materials that withstand high temperatures. No refractories, no car. Before steel, copper, plastic, or glass becomes part of your car, it must first become molten liquid, heated to extreme temperatures. The liquid is carefully processed in many containers before it gets the right shape and chemical composition. In these temperatures, refractory materials ensure insulation and protect containers holding molten steel during steelmaking process. They also keep steel plant workers safe from destructive heat. Refractories not only enable production, but also their quality affects the parameters of the material being processed. Thanks to refractories, the molten material is maintained at a stable temperature, achieving a uniform structure and chemical composition exactly as intended by the engineers designing the component. This results in lighter, stronger car bodies and components, more efficient engines for both combustion and electric vehicles, more precise gearboxes, more durable and comfortable interiors, resistant windows, and cars becoming more efficient and reliable. From furnace to freeway, refractories make it possible.